Hello, this is the baking segment of Kids in the Country with Baking with Nathan and
Cooking with Caroline.
today we're going to show you a 4th of July treat that goes with everything. Cake mix cookies. So, the ingredients you will need are 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, baking cake mix, 1 egg and 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup of oil.
And if you want to know the truth, you can actually put the whole bag of chocolate chips.
Yeah, anyway. First we will mix in our wet ingredients, which are egg and oil. So, now we will pour in our cake mix, and then we will pour in our oil. Then we will scramble our egg, and we will add in our egg. And now we will stir. Caroline, if you will, can you go over there and preheat the oven to 350? And then now, after it looks kind of like this, you will slowly add in your semi-sweet chocolate chips. Keep going. I love them. Alright, Caroline, can you please get the baking pan and the pan, please? Okay, now when your cookie batter looks like this, just so you know, my neighbor gave this recipe to me, you will get your aerosol spray and spray your pan. Right there. Okay, now make sure your hands are washed for this step, because when you do this, you will get a small to medium sized chocolate chip cookie, roll it into a little ball, and then, Caroline, press it with your 2 fingers.
Alright, always remember to like and subscribe. And turn on your notifications so you'll know when me and Nate post a new video. And I hope you enjoy these cookies, and bye-bye.